like I am holding this marker. You can also able to see the pencil, pen, books, copy. Mother is giving you milk to drink, chair and table. Many things you can able to see. So all the things whichever you can able to see can exist in three form. Okay, solid, liquid, and gases. Means all the things are exist in three forms only. Either it will be solid, or it will be liquid, or it will be gaseous state. Okay. So in this chapter we are going to learn about solids, liquids and gases. Okay. What are their properties? You can also able to see what are the properties of these things. That only we are going to learn here. So the substance and the object around us can be solid, liquid and gaseous form. And we already know that water exists in three different forms. You can able to recall the three different form of water. What are the three different form? First is ice. Ice is a solid form, okay? And what the water we are drinking, that is liquid form, okay? And there is a gaseous form water also. When your mother used to boil water, you will see some vapors coming out of it. That is a gaseous form. So water exists in three different form. Okay, solid, liquid, all three form it can exist. Solid, liquid and gases. Okay. So we are going to learn one by one about each and everything. So here you can see two example I have given here. This is table, okay, and this is a pencil. This is a solid form. This is the solid form, okay. Now you can see the another example, oil. You have seen oil, juice we have seen, and what the water you are drinking, and then milk, okay. Water and milk. These all are liquid form. These are liquid form. You can find the difference by yourself only, okay. Table, pencil is a solid form. Oil, juice, water, milk is a liquid form, okay. And then gases, you can see here when we are boiling water, then steam is coming out now. From the pressure cooker also you can see steam is coming out. When anyone is cooking rice or pulses, means dal, or vegetables, then steam comes out now. That is the gaseous form, okay. And in the environment also evaporation used to take place, and you will see that water vapor will be found in an environment. So these are the gaseous form. Here also what we are inhaling, that is a gaseous form only, okay. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, these all are gases, okay. What oxygen we are taking and what carbon dioxide we are giving out, that is gases only. So now you try to find the difference among solid, liquid and gas. What is the difference? First of all, the difference you can see that oil, juice, steam, water vapor, it can flow. Flow or not? Liquid, you have seen the river is flowing. But you have seen table is flowing. Table can flow. River is flowing. Air is blowing. Okay, these are, but table can't able to flow. Pencil is not flowing. So solid cannot flow, but liquid and gas can flow. That's why these are known as fluid, because they are having ability of flowing, so they are known as fluid. Now you can see another properties also here. You see here solid. Solid table is the, if I am keeping this table in this room, now I am taking it to another room, okay. Then according to the room, table is changing their shape. When it was in big room, it become big, okay. Or it is in rectangular room, it will become rectangular. No, now it is not changing the shape now. Pencil is also as it is not changing the shape. Only when you are using, its length is decreasing day by day. Otherwise, it is not changing the. If we will not do anything, it will not change the shape. You can see here now. Table is also not changing. Chair is also not changing the shape. But liquid can take a shape. It is not having definite shape. It can change the shape, okay? And it will take the shape of the material, okay, in the things which it has kept. It will take a shape of container. You can see it is kept in a jar, so this has taken the shape of jar, but this oil again I will keep in this bowl, okay. Now I am keeping the same oil in the bowl. Now what is the shape of oil? Bowl shape. If I am keeping this oil in this type of shape, in a glass we are keeping, then it is taking the shape of a glass. So liquid doesn't have that definite shape. It is taking the shape of the container in which we used to keep it. And it needs container because otherwise it will flow. So we need container to keep these liquid material, okay. So they do not have definite shape. Same here, steam also. Steam also doesn't, this gas is also not, doesn't have a definite shape. It will also take the shape of container only, okay. So what is the one difference? Another difference, that solid is having definite shape, okay, but liquid does not have, gas does not have, okay. Now next, you can see that they are having definite volume also, okay. This solid is having definite volume, means they are occupying definite space. Space, you know now, it is occupying definite space. Means when we are keeping table, chair, anything, they are occupying some space over there now. If the room is small, they will not occupy less space, okay, in my room. We are adjusting ourselves like that, but table we are not going like this. It's small, so you now become small. You take small space here, okay. So they are having definite volume also. They are occupying definite space also, okay. Table, pencil means solid material. Now liquid. Liquid also having definite volume. Yes, of course. Liquid is also definite volume. Here we are changing the shape of the container, but the capacity of this container should be same. If we are keeping 1 liter water in one water bag, your bottle is of half liter, okay. Let's take half liter. And your brother water bag is of 1 liter. This is a brother water bag, okay. This is of 1 liter. Now your brother want to take your water bag only, and he want to change this water from this bottle. He can able to do this? No. He can't able to fill half liter bottle bag by 1 liter water, okay. If half liter capacity, then it will contain only half liter, okay. It will not able to keep 1 liter water in it. It is half liter capacity, so it will keep only half liter maximum, okay. Maximum volume it can keep only half liter. More than half liter it can't able to keep in it. Their capacity is half liter only. So they are having definite volume. Liquid is also having, of course, definite volume. We can change the shape of the bottle, but we can't able to change the volume of water. By changing the water bag, we can change the shape of the water, but we are not changing the volume of the water. Now here gas. Gas is having definite volume? No. Gas is not having definite volume. In this room, what is the volume of the gas? It will occupy whole room. Okay. So the volume of the gas is your whole room. and this much quantity gas only we will keep in one jar, the volume will become of that gas is the volume of that jar only. So we can able to change the volume of the gas. Okay, they are not having fixed volume. So in common, what we have learned today, first we have learned that all the things around this world can exist in three different forms, that is solid, liquid and gases. Water can exist in all these three forms. Solid form of water is ice, liquid form of water is water, what we are drinking, and gaseous form of water is water vapor. Now what is the difference between solid, liquid and gas? First, solid cannot able to flow, but liquid and gas can able to flow. So these are fluid. Okay. Second, solid is having definite shape. Liquid doesn't have definite shape and gas also doesn't have definite shape. Okay, only solid is having definite shape. Okay, shape they are having definite. Now third, solid is having definite volume also. Means solid is having definite shape as well as definite volume also. Now liquid doesn't have definite liquid also having definite volume. Liquid doesn't have definite shape, but they are having definite volume. Now gas is not having definite shape also, they are not having definite volume also. So gas is neither having definite shape nor having definite volume. So children, keep on learning and then draw at least two diagram of the object. Okay, 2 of solid, 2 of liquid and 2 of gases. Thank you. Have a nice day.